Professor Barati. I'd like to go over this Tappan Parts cost of goods sold statement, which includes the cost of goods manufactured. And you're given the direct material inventory, work in process inventory, finished goods inventory, beginning and ending balances. Here's your schedule. It's a basic schedule that you will find in the lecture notes as well. And all this is basically flowing your costs through the T accounts of raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. This is a problem where you almost have to work backwards to get the answers. They're giving you answers at different levels of the statement. So I believe yellow is where you can input something on Connect. So your beginning work in process is your first line of the schedule, and your beginning inventory is right here, 32,400. From there, you want to do your direct materials used for production. You want to get to this number. They give you the beginning direct material inventory of 22,000. They give you the ending inventory of 25,300. And they give you direct materials used of 45,900. So 45,900, if you are working your way down the schedule, it's beginning inventory plus purchases equals materials available for sale. Minus ending direct material inventory gives you direct materials used for production. However, you don't know what the purchases are. Therefore, but you do know what the direct materials used. So you almost have to work your way backwards. Beginning inventory plus purchases equals materials available for use minus ending inventory equals direct materials used. So you know the direct materials used is 45,900. So if materials available less ending inventory equals direct materials used, then direct materials used plus ending inventory gives you your materials available. So take the materials used, add the ending inventory. That number gives you your materials available. You're not giving other manufacturing costs in the problem, so you don't know that. You're not given total manufacturing costs. But you are given cost of goods for the year at 52,600 right here, so you know that number. Again, you almost have to work your way backwards. If beginning finished goods inventory is 6,000, which you're given, plus cost of goods available for sale, minus ending finished goods inventory, which you're given, equals cost of goods sold, then simply work your way backwards. Cost of goods sold of 52,600 plus finished goods inventory, which you have, gives you finished goods available for sale. If finished goods available for sale is 59,900, then basically subtract 6,000 to get the cost of goods manufactured, because that minus beginning inventory gives you finished goods available. Then finished goods plus finished goods inventory gives you cost of goods manufactured. So once you have that number, you know your ending WIP is 28,700. Add that to get to total work in process. Because total work in process minus your ending WIP gives you cost of goods manufactured. So just reverse the signs. Add that and get your total cost of work in process. If your beginning WIP plus your total manufacturing costs equal your work in process, essentially you need to get to this number. You know this number, 45,900, is used, so this plus something is going to get you this number. So this minus this gets you to the 45,900. So you can basically back into this number. Once you get that number, the whole statement should fall in place. So that's how this essentially works.